Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. Today I've got a Cobra 29 LTD Chrome that I'm doing for Stan in Hawaii. We set this up to be used with his Fatboy there. 2-pill. Fatboy 2-pill. Okay, so this is a tune-up report. We're going to start with just the radio. Show you what the radio is doing, Dan. Got 10 watts across the top. See, we got it in there at about 3 watts. And the peak power meter, 50 watts. You're looking in the middle scale there, probably up around the 20s. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Yeah. So that's the radio by itself. And then with this on, we'll have to change the slug a little bit. Change this to 1,000 watt. I don't have a 500 watt slug anymore. Or I'd use that one. We'll put this on 300 watts. He wanted a really loud setup, so we got a steady key set pretty low, with just under 60 there, 55. Pretty close to 60. And on this watt meter we got a 1,000 watt slug, so we're reading across the bottom. That's 200, that's 300 that line, and 400 is where it says 40. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, check, check. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's too big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio.